Welcome to INOX, a leading provider of heat exchanger solutions. Today, we will be discussing the construction process of our tube-in-tube or concentric tube. These heat exchangers are designed and manufactured to the highest standards in order to provide an optimal performance and efficiency. We take pride in our ability to deliver quality products to our customers in a timely and cost-effective manner. Let us begin with the most commonly constructed heat exchangers, which are typically frame-mounted, stainless steel tube-on-tube designs. The modules, consisting of linear section tubes where the heat exchange occurs, are positioned within the unit at a specific height. The modules within the heat exchanger are typically connected with regards to the product flow, utilizing standard elbows to ensure proper fluid transfer, or wide curves, eccentric cones, or with inclined curves. Wide curves are used to have lower pressure drops within the heat exchanger. The modules and the surfaces are connected with the welded water passage, as you can see in this photo, or removable. The product pipes can be corrugated with a corrugating machine to create turbulence in the product and increase the performance of the heat exchanger. If the difference of temperature between the product and the surfaces is high, we integrate heat expansion compensators in the modules to balance the expansion of the modules. Finally, we can insulate the entire system with external cladding made of shiny steel sheet metal. That concludes our presentation for today. We have provided a brief overview on the construction of tube-in-tube heat exchangers at INOX. We thank you for your attention, and we invite you to follow us on Facebook and Instagram to view our latest projects and updates. On behalf of INOX, we wish you all the best in your endeavors.